My favorite credit card I like to use. My favorite credit card that I like is my Home Rewards card. Um, what this does through my bank, and I believe also I got this. It was easier for me to get because I really worked with my bank on building my credit and getting a card. I'm not here to promote any banks or anything. I'm just telling you what's worked out for me. So they would send stuff through the mail and stuff, and I would read it, and then I was offered a program called the Home Rewards Program. So instead of renewing my points online, which I never did anyway, hardly, you know, this way it just automatically does it. At a certain point, it just applies a little bit of my mortgage. It's not a lot, but every little bit helps. And I mean, it's money for nothing. I just swipe my card and they put a little bit on my mortgage on the principal, and hey, that's awesome with me. This is also a little bit more advanced even for myself because what I do, I'm at a point now. Um, some people may disagree with this. I pay everything I can with this card to take advantage of the rewards. So, but I also know what I can afford and what I can't afford. It's basically built into my budget through this card. Um, so I pay all my bills, everything that I can with this card to take advantage of these points. And this is not recommended for everybody. It's working out for me, but I've had to be really disciplined with my credit and the way I handle my money and my finances. Um, Not everybody can do this, but it's working out really well for me. So, yeah, that's what I do. I use this card to pay my escrow account. So, and it's auto paid. There's a lot of things that are auto paid through this card. Cell phone, grocery store, everything. And then the more and more I find out, like I have offers for credit cards through a grocery store or something, and I read, how much I save versus the card that I use in my home rebates. If I put it in Excel or calculated it up, how much I'd save over time with it being applied to my principal, I mean, it's a no-brainer. I just use that card, and man, I wish I could just swipe all day long, and just get ching cash, put in. But I do what I can, so I can afford to pay my bills, and that's the whole point. I don't overspend. Um, but annually, quite a bit has been going into my principal, and this has been going on. I think about it probably a good 2 years at least, maybe three. I'm not sure, but I've been doing this for a while. But look around, ask your bank too. If you bank and you have a good relationship with your bank, I still believe in going into the bank and talking in person. A lot of banks want you to do everything through the phone or online, and I like to go in person. Myself, this is what works for me. So maybe you could talk to your banker and ask, hey, do y'all have a rewards program? Especially if you got a loan through that bank for your home mortgage. Can I get a card with you guys and it applies, to my mortgage, and tell them, look, I don't even renew my points. I'm not taking advantage of this, and it'd really make me happy if you could do this for me. They might surprise you. There might not be a lot of banks that do this. I know this one specific bank does, and that's, I bank with them. Maybe there's more out there. I haven't bothered Googling or researching it because, I just use what I know and what's worked out for me, so I haven't put further research into it. But maybe if it helps you out, that it might be worth it for you to do that. So, yeah, that's what I do. I pay everything I can with that one card once again, like I said, and try to get the full leverage I can for that. And I'm really enjoying the benefits. So anyway, I hope this helps you out. This is a little bit more advanced too on your credit pursuit. I'm not recommending this. I'm just only saying this is what I do. And you have to really be disciplined to do this. You have to be really good with where your money's going and stuff. Also, this card may or not be good for emergency lump sum, say medical or car or something like that, because it's pretty much just used in with my budget. I already have figured out that I spend for the year. So you might have to have another strategy, because you know credit can be good too for an emergency. I really haven't had that problem though. I haven't really ever needed credit for an emergency so far. I've been really blessed. You know, hopefully that won't change, and it's nice to know I do have it. So there you go. Um, you, it might benefit you to ask your bank if they have a home rewards program. You know, credit card that goes to your principal of your mortgage, or to Google it and pursue that. And I hope this helps you like it's helped me. And God bless, and you have a great day. Bye bye.